In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install a software application that is called Eclipse. Eclipse is an IDE which stands for Integrated Development Environment. From now on, we are going to use this IDE to write the source code for our robot project. We also use this same IDE to create the URDF robot models. So later we test them in the Gazebo simulator. Before installing this IDE, we need to make sure our system has Java JRE installed. This Java package is required to run Eclipse. To get a Java JRE, first open a terminal. Inside the terminal, I type sudo followed by apt space install a space default JRE. This refers to the Java package. And then enter the passcode of your user account to proceed installation. Enter a letter Y to proceed. The installation won't take too long, most likely less than a minute. Once we have this package installed, we can install Eclipse. By the way, Eclipse is very popular and useful. Many developers use this IDE. It is intensively used in software development. It supports different languages such as Java, JavaScript, PHP, C++, and etc. Next step, we need to download the Eclipse installation package. So I will open a browser. You can simply search the keywords such as Eclipse, or how about let's just go to eclipse.org. This is the main page of the eclipse.org. Go over here and then select download. Over here, you can download the package. At the time this video is recorded, the Eclipse edition is September in 2020. We are not going to click that download x86 and 64. Instead, let's click here, download packages. This page lists all the packages. As you can see, we have Eclipse IDE for Java developers. If you are making Android phone application, you can use this IDE, or simply download the Android Studio. This is for enterprise Java developers. This one is for making C++ application, which is what we need. Continue scrolling down, we have Eclipse for JavaScript. And this is for the PHP language, for HTML, and so on. The Eclipse version that we need is this for C++ developers. On this side, it shows different platforms. Obviously, we need the one for Ubuntu, so we choose the one that runs in Linux system. Here is the downloading page. Click on this download button to begin downloading this package. Save this file. Most likely, we don't need to change anything. Just let it save to the default directory, the downloads folder. If you want to make some donation, feel free to do so. I will first minimize this window. The file is quite large. It's still in the process of downloading. First, open this folder. Next, I click the Downloads folder. This is the file. And as you can see, this file is still in the process of downloading. It's not done yet. Click here. Click here. We are still in the process of downloading it. For the current Eclipse version, it is about 300 megabytes. Okay. As shown here, finally this file has been downloaded. Let's minimize this window. The file is inside the Downloads folder. Click here and there. In the terminal, let's change the current directory to the Downloads folder's directory. cd downloads, hit the Enter key. Use the list command just to verify that file is in this directory. Now let's use this command. It begins with sudo space tar, the tar, followed by space xf, a space, and then we need to put the name of this file afterward. It's called Eclipse, so ECL. And then you can simply use the tab button on the keyboard to autofill the rest of the name. I would put a hyphen, which means the option C, and then a space slash OPT. We're going to put this inside that OPT folder. Open this folder now to other location. Computer. Inside there is a folder called OPT. Currently, we only install ROS under this directory. Now we're gonna add the Eclipse in the same directory. Click here and hit the Enter key. Okay, we have just created this folder. Double-click the folder to open it. And here are the files. We just need to run one more command. Use this command, ls opt slash and Eclipse. Let's take a look. Hit the Enter key. This directory contains a file called Eclipse, which is the executable file for Ubuntu. Now we're going to create a shortcut link refers to this file. And this is the command we are going to type. Sudo ln with the S option and followed by the location opt eclipse add it to the user, so it's user folder slash local slash bin folder over there. We're gonna add a user link to it. Hit the Enter key. No error message. That shows we run this command successfully. All done. We just need to run Eclipse to see it. We can run the Eclipse command at any location in the terminal to open the Eclipse application. Type Eclipse and hit Enter. We are launching Eclipse application now. Simply, you can use the default setting and then click Launch. In the later lessons, we use Eclipse to create project and put it in different locations. There we go. This is Eclipse welcome page. On this page, you can select different options. And here concludes this tutorial.